Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
You can't be happy if you're not well.
Yeah, I'm always well.
Why can't you give us your
When I
idea?
see that things are going on nicely, I'm happy. Oh, what is this with this body? Body is body. We are not body.
Isn't it Guru Das that gave his father his youth? That one
Yayati, King Yayati, traded his old age.
with his son. Well, you can do that.
Who did?
King Yayati.
Jaya. No, why? You are my body. So you divine. There is no difference. Just like I am working, so my Guru Maharaj is there. Bhakti Siddhanta. Physically he may not be, but in every action he is there. I think I'm traveling.
Yes, in the Bhagavatam, that he who lives with him lives eternally. He remembers his words, lives eternally.
So I'm not going to die. It is just a zero. One who has done something substantial, he lives forever. He doesn't die. Even in our practical life, so this is material. Karma fall. One has to accept another body according to his karma. But a devotee, there is no such thing. He always accepts the body, but sadly Krishna. But that is not karma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,